focus of my work is the three value chain oriented projects of RIU. These are very different, very interesting projects located in three different contexts of three countries. The project in Bangladesh is focusing on fish seed value chain. They're putting into use decentralized seed production approach for wider benefits. Um, in this project, they are creating a new role for smallholder rice field farmers as fish fingerling producers, and then they are trying to link them up with the other elements of the value chain, and then basically enhance efficiencies to make sure that fish fingerlings are available in local regions at appropriate times and with good quality. The project in Nepal is putting into use an approach called participatory market chain approach, which was originally developed in Andes for potatoes. Here they are trying to put into use for developing vegetable value chain. Here they are trying to link up smallholder vegetable farmers with other elements of the value chain. They're basically working with existing value chain elements and then trying to bring in efficiencies, and then in the process help smallholder farmers to get better price for their produce. The project in India is putting into use a multi-pronged approach for promoting underused crops, which is essentially horticulture and forest produce. Here, since the value chain is not fully developed, they are trying to create missing roles in the value chain through this multi-pronged approach, and then trying to connect these smallholder farmers to the markets, and then help them get better, help them get some, help them support their livelihoods. So preliminary investigation of these projects have started to show some interesting lessons. One is about how these small experiments on developing pro-poor agriculture value chains are exerting pressure on uh, existing ways of doing by many of the agencies of the, for example, some of the departments of agriculture have started to look at these experiments and started to see how they can take some of these lessons and change the ways they are working. And some of the other entrepreneurs are seeing an opportunity in these things and trying to change the way they are working, and all these things are going to help these smallholder producers.